Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and hit the like button. It helps out my channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated to continue uploading these videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $936 billion. We have seen the market cap go up 9% in the last 24 hours, and that's definitely something we want to be seeing. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 41.5%. As mentioned, we are seeing a lot of green across the board, something we have not seen for quite some times within the markets. Markets are doing quite well. Today is Sunday, and you guys know the stance. On the weekends, we do tend to see a lot of manipulation occur within the cryptocurrency markets. But right now, the price of Bitcoin is above $20,000, and that's definitely what we want to be seeing right now. But, there's a lot of people wondering, have we seen the bottom? We will get into that in this video, so you guys want to watch this video till the absolute end. But overall, markets are doing quite well right now. Today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that's none other than Apecoin. All right, my Ape family, if we are looking at the price right now, it is currently trading at $4.26. It's up a staggering 23.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 12.4% in Bitcoin and 3.5% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Its current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 41 spot with a market cap of $1.27 billion with a 24-hour trading volume of $551.9 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys. In the last 24 hours, as I have mentioned, it's up 23.4%. If we're looking at the last 30 days, though, it's down 47.5%. But this should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us because you guys know what has been happening within the markets over the past 1.5 months. But now, let's get right into the exciting stuff. What's happening with the price of Apecoin and where could we be going in the immediate short term? So right now, this is the daily time frame right now for you guys. You guys can see we are sitting below this level of resistance at the $5.19 mark. We have not seen the price of Apecoin above this level since June 11th. And now comes the question, are we going to break out of this zone and start heading back into the important zone, which is at that 78.6 zone, which is currently at that $10 price point? That's the question that everyone have on their mind. And we will look into that right now. First, let's go look at what's happening with the price of Bitcoin. This is the 1 hour time frame for the Bitcoin charts. You guys could see Bitcoin did see a low of $17,623 yesterday. We saw a massive flash crash within the Bitcoin's price, but we have seen a beautiful rebound towards the upside over the past 24 hours for the price of Bitcoin. And if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys to be exact, we have seen the price of Bitcoin go up about 17% in the last 24 hours, and that's definitely something we like seeing. And what I'm really liking right now is that the price of Bitcoin is above $20,000, close to $21,000. If it is able to close above $22,000, that would be something extremely bullish in my personal opinion, but it has to stay above that zone. It can't just wick to $22,000 and wick below it. No, we need to stay above there, and I don't care if the price of Bitcoin trade sideways for about a month, 2 months. It can take its time, but that's where we need to see the price of Bitcoin at. But one thing to keep in mind, we are in a weekend. You guys know on the weekends we do tend to see a lot of manipulation across the board, so we need to keep that factor in mind. Tomorrow's Monday. We will see what happens, but so far, very, very nice recovery within the markets, and we will definitely take that. But looking at the Apecoin price right now, so I am bringing out the 1 hour time frame for you guys to get a really better picture as to what is going on with Apecoin. So as you guys can see, last time Apecoin was above that level of resistance, major level of resistance right now that it's playing for us at that $5.16 mark, was back on June 11th. And now comes the question, are we going to revisit this zone and most importantly, break out of this zone, or are we going to hit this resistance and get rejected? That's the question that everyone wants to know right now. And this is the zone where all my eyes are on right now, that $5.15 mark. mark. Very, very important zone for the price of Apecoin. So as you guys can see, Apecoin was at $3 and 11 cents just yesterday after that massive flash crash that we saw within the price of Bitcoin, causing the entire markets to react with it. If you picked up some Apecoin around here, you are already up 36.86% in a single day. Obviously it's not a doubled, 100% gain, but you guys, 36% gain if you picked up some Apecoin around here. And this really goes to show the people that are picking up altcoins, especially during the bloodbath when there's a lot of panic across the board, the people that are accumulating and are being greedy around that time, these are the people that tend to do good when the markets really do go up. People that are accumulating in the bear market are the ones that are the most successful when it comes down to the bull market. And right now, a lot of people are wondering, have we seen the bottom for the price of Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin right now, forget about Apecoin, forget about Solana, forget about every altcoin. If you guys want to know how Apecoin is going to do, we need to monitor the price of Bitcoin very, very closely. And right now, Bitcoin is on the move towards the upside. Like I mentioned to you guys, we need to go above that $22,000 mark. If we do that, things can start looking very, very nice for the price of Bitcoin along with Apecoin as well. And right now, Apecoin is looking not too bad right now. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys can see this level of resistance that I'm talking about, which is at the $5.11 mark, is about 20% away from now. Can this happen? Can this happen? Can the price of Apecoin go above this zone? And most importantly, not just go above it, stay above it. That's the question that everyone wants to know. It can definitely happen, but I want to see the price of Apecoin stay above this level of resistance if it were to go above there. How would that be possible? That would be possible if the price of Bitcoin goes above $22,000 and holds that price point, because BTC dominance right now is on the decline. And I do see it continue to drop as the price of Bitcoin even goes up, because we are starting to see more money flow into altcoins from Bitcoin, because people are seeing the altcoins are going to out rally Bitcoin right now, because we saw the price of, we saw the BTC dominance index go all the way up to 48.45% just on June 10th. That was quite something. And the reason as to why we saw that happen is because money was flowing from altcoins into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin tends to hold quite strongly compared to altcoins, and people tend to move their money from altcoins into Bitcoin. And now we are starting to see the opposite happen. More money is flowing into Bitcoin right now, into altcoins, causing the BTC dominance to decrease. And I do see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin in the immediate short term, and we're already starting to see that happen. Right now, all eyes are on this price point at the $5.14 mark for the price of Apecoin. If I am bringing out the daily, this would be a very, very nice place to close and stay above and start heading towards this major level of resistance at the 78.6, which we have not seen since May 11th. This is where things can really start getting very, very exciting when the price hits this mark, which is at the $10 mark, which is still around 110% move to the upside right now from current price levels. Speaking about, Bored Ape and, the Apecoin itself, a lot of people are saying, Apecoin hype is done. Apecoin is not going to be where it was back earlier this year. And I don't agree with that. And the reason as to why I don't agree with that is because of the community Bored Ape really has. Even now, the cheapest Bored Ape within the markets is still sitting around the $100,000 price point. And, the current price is 92 Ethereum. 92 Ethereum. Yes, Ethereum has pulled down quite significantly within its price, but Bored Ape is holding its value. People are starting to use it as, a store of value. Sure, ETH is no longer $2,000 to $3,000 right now, but that's not going to be the case long term. Ethereum is definitely going to rebound. It's more of a store of value now, seen not only from retail side, also from the institution side. And Bored Ape Club, as far as Bored Ape Club goes, this project is here to stay. It's not just an image, just an NFT. This is a community, and you guys can see numbers speak for themselves. Literally every celebrity that you can think of, whether they're in Hollywood, sports, you name it. Some of the biggest influencers have Bored Ape. This is a community, and this community, everyone wants to get part of this community. And the people that can't afford a Bored Ape, guess what they're doing? They're buying Apecoin. Even after having a massive pullback, Bored Ape still continuously is up, holds a really nice market cap of $1.27 billion. We can't forget that, guys. Numbers speak for themselves. $1.27 billion. And I do believe Bored Ape in the next 2 to 3 years, if they continue to develop what they're doing and really have more and more partnerships within the Bored Ape, and maybe they can partner with some big organizations, you never know. This can be huge. If that were the case, this is only going to get bigger as time goes by. I don't see personally Bored Ape going anywhere, because other meme coins, you guys can say, a lot of people treat Apecoin as a meme coin. I don't necessarily believe that, because Apecoin has a community behind it. They have an NFT that is backing it, and this is a huge thing. Meanwhile, we can see these other meme coins, on the other hand, it's all speculation. People are just pumping it, no really backing behind it. It's just all speculation. But meanwhile, Apecoin does have a back thing, which is the NFT thing, and I do believe this is going to be huge in the long run. My personal thing is, I do want to pick up a Bored Ape. I am eyeing this project, but right now I'm nowhere close to having funds to do so. If I get the opportunity, I will definitely be a Bored Ape holder. But that is it for today's update, guys. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know where you could see the price of Bored Ape go at the end of this year, and let me know what you guys are doing right now. Are you guys accumulating Bored Apes? Or Bored Ape coins? Also, if you are accumulating Bored Ape, let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys want me to cover Apecoin more often. I love you all. Thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.